Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I hope you're ready for it. We are making hot chocolate cookies. They're going to be a soft and chewy hot chocolate cookie topped with marshmallow buttercream, milk chocolate ganache, packed with chocolate chips, and because it's hot chocolate, mini marshmallows. They're going to be so delicious. They're pretty much going to be like a soft, rich, chocolatey, yummy, scrumptious cookie. That's pretty much like your favorite hot cup of cocoa. I know. What are you doing to me? It's winter, cookies, but trust me, these are cookies you're definitely gonna want. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on pretty much the best winter cookie you will ever have. Pinky promise. Now our first step is to cream our butter. So in a large mixing bowl, you're going to go ahead and add in your butter. Then with your hand mixer on a high speed, you want to go ahead and just beat it and cream it until you have a nice, creamy, light and fluffy butter mixture. Now let's go ahead and add in our sugars. Starting up, we're going to add in our white sugar and our light brown sugar. And then back in with your hand mixer on a nice medium speed and beat in both your white sugar and your brown sugar into your butter until all these ingredients are fully combined and incorporated and you have a nice sugary, light and fluffy mixture. Once you have both your sugars fully mixed in with your butter, we can go ahead and start beating in our egg and our vanilla. And then beat those in on a medium speed until they are fully combined. Now let's go ahead, scoot this bowl to the side, grab a slightly smaller bowl for our dry ingredients, and start adding in your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, and your salt. Then we're going to give those a quick little whisk. Then once all your whisking is done, you want to go ahead, bring your larger bowl back to the party and gradually add in your dry mixture to your wet mixture. Or just dump it in because it's the holidays. Make it easy, make it simple. Trust me, it won't hurt these cookies. They will taste just as good, all the same. And then blend together, starting off on a nice low speed with your hand mixer. Now because this cookie dough is going to be a bit thicker than our usual cookies here, we're going to start off on that low speed and gradually move to a medium speed. And because this cookie dough is thicker than usual cookie dough, it is going to help out to start at that low speed and move to a medium speed once all of your dry ingredients have been added in. So we don't have kind of a really dried out cookie dough, let's go ahead and add in some milk. And continue to mix until that milk is fully worked in and we have a bit of a wetter cookie dough. Now this cookie dough can be chilled for a half hour if you'd like to, or you can go ahead and start adding these onto your cookie sheet tray. I'm going to go ahead and start adding these onto the cookie sheet tray. So with just a regular cookie scoop, standard size, or if you want jumbo cookies, use a jumbo size. Any size cookie you want, you match that with your scooper. But you're gonna take your scooper and we're gonna start adding little cookie dough balls of hot chocolate cookie dough onto our cookie sheet, lined with some parchment paper so there's no sticky bottoms. And as you're laying out your cookie dough balls, you want to leave about an inch and a half of space between. When you have your cookie sheet or cookie sheets filled with these hot chocolate cookie dough balls, go ahead, pop in your oven and let bake for a nice quick, easy 14 to 15 minutes, or until the edges start to crisp up just a tiny little bit. So our cookies have baked, they've cooled. I let them chill for a good 10 minutes. This way they're not too hot while we start decorating, which is my favorite part. So we're gonna start that right now. We're gonna start by adding on a nice, generous, thick layer of marshmallow buttercream, because you can't have hot chocolate without marshmallows, of course, naturally, hello. So, generous amount of marshmallow fluff, buttercream frosting, right on top of every single cookie. And if you'd like to know how to make the marshmallow buttercream frosting, I'll be sure to throw a link in the description down below. But the recipe for the hot chocolate cookies will have all the steps and things you need to make your own delicious marshmallow buttercream frosting. Next, we're gonna drizzle on some delicious milk chocolate ganache. Nice, smooth, creamy, chocolatey, yummy goodness on top of each and every single cookie. And just like the marshmallow buttercream frosting, I will throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. It's only 2 ingredients, chocolate chips, heavy cream, super easy, super quick. That's like my motto, hello. But I will also throw those directions, how-tos, and everything you need in the recipe for the hot chocolate cookies as well. And of course, because it is hot chocolate, and I think I've already said it, and I've said the word marshmallow at least a dozen times. If you're counting, let me know how many times I've said it. Yeah, this way I can work on how many times I repeat a single word or phrase in every video. But we're gonna go ahead and top with delicious, fluffy mini marshmallows. And after you top with all of your mini marshmallows, in a couple of quick, easy steps, you will have a soft, rich, chocolatey goodness cookie topped with marshmallow buttercream, milk chocolate ganache, mini marshmallows. That is to die for. It's gonna be so hard to have just one with my coffee, but I'm gonna try. I might have two. Maybe 3. We'll see. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these hot chocolate cookies. It's getting cold here in Pittsburgh, and hot chocolate pretty much is always on tap, like the coffee here. But I know you guys are really gonna like them. Like I said, they're just that rich, gooey chocolate flavor, and that marshmallow buttercream and the chocolate ganache. It's just so good. If you like hot chocolate, or if you like hot chocolate cookies, or just really marshmallows, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you want to see more of, and you want to try yourselves. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more yummy, delicious cookies. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own hot chocolate cookies or your own hot chocolate dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna grab some coffee, grab at least 1 or 2 of these delicious hot chocolate cookies, relax, get nice and cozy because it's chilly and gray here in Pittsburgh. But I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all getting ready for the holidays. I know I am. I'm ready for my onesie, Chinese food, Netflix, Gwenny and R2 having a nice cozy evening. And as always though, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye!